So guys, welcome to your boys YouTube channel. Today is the first day of our anime reviewing and the anime we'll be reviewing today is Redo of Healer. If you're a 12-year-old kid, don't watch this anime. If you're a 16-year-old teen, don't watch this anime. Even if you're an 18-year-old adult, don't watch this anime. It's effing traumatizing. Redo of Healer is a 2021 dark fantasy TV anime, the storyline of which is borderline hentai. Yeah, I mean it. It's a TV anime. Well, we'll stick to calling it a TV anime cause the editors decided so. The key factor that keeps it from entering the field of hentai is its fantastic storyline. This anime intensely depicts torture, assault and harassment which has led it to various controversies around the world. Well, I'm a keen watcher of other anime reviewing videos, and around a year ago, the Anime Man warned us about Redo of a Healer being adapted into an anime. And heck yeah, he was right. It's an effing disaster. Our protagonist Kearu has been given healing powers, but somehow he ends up being tortured by the cruel anime cast. Yeah, I know the plot armor saves him, but all the cruelties he has endured till now are far too much for a single person to keep his sanity in check. There was even a clip from this anime that was trending for various days and it was the mother of all controversies I've ever seen. I'll make sure to add it up at the last segment of this video, be sure to watch it. Our protagonist Kearu has been granted peculiar healing powers. In the process of healing, he can even look up into the tragedies and traumas of the person he is healing. He even does experience their pain, and in the process, he can even absorb their skills like their magic skills and their sword skills. I'm pretty sure I've made it clear what my opinions for this anime are, but let me talk it out. This anime takes a darker turn, but only on the sexual side. Yeah, I mean, if you want to make an anime dark, make the storyline dark, not the visuals. Let's talk about the animation quality of this anime. In my opinion, the animation just levels up for some scenes, like this one. You can see the difference between the average anime and this one. But overall, the anime animation is average. Our protagonist Kearu, upon defeating the Demon Lord, get holds of the Time Stone. And by using this Time Stone, he rewinds the time to 4 years backwards, right before he got his powers. He successfully takes his revenge and then leads a happy-go-lucky anime main character life. The scenes I was talking about when I said the animation just levels up are these ones. I mean, look at the fighting scenes. You can see the difference and these are top-notch. The opening theme is also good and the ending theme is superb because you need themes like this when the anime is so traumatizing. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for further videos and enjoy the scenes ahead.
ほれや、俺の棒かこの棒か、好きな棒を選ばせてやるよ。
棒なんて。
10秒以内に答えないとどっちの棒も入れることにする。